Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we will be drawing Elf from Alphabet Lore. To get started, let's all start off with the eyes towards the top of the page. We're going to go on the left top right here, and go down in a diagonal line. It's going to be a short line because we need to draw in the eye first. So from these 2 points, we're going to do a little half circle, like so. And once you're done with the half circle, let's cut across and draw in the first eyelid. With the eyelid in, now we just need a little iris. Highlight and color in the iris. That's our first eye. Now we need the second eye. Starting from this point right here, go up across to the top right. And then we're going to match it down to this point right here with another half circle to the right. Perfect. Now, from this area, we're going to do a diagonal across for the other eye. And it's an angry eye, so it's going to be facing down from different angles. And now we just need the second iris, highlight, and color. The eyes are looking really good. Now we just need to draw body of the F. So starting from this point right here next to the eye, we're going to go straight down to this point from up here down. Once you're done with that, go across a little bit and back up to around the middle of the body, like so. Now we just need to go across for the first square of the F. And then similar to down here, we're going to go back up. And we're going to make the second square, but we're going to make it a little longer. We're just going to draw in the lines just so we know where to end it. So we're going to go across on both top and bottom. I'll give you a second to get that in. Once you're done with that, we just need the teeth of our aggressive F. We're going to do some triangles towards the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So we're doing a bottom of this top square or rectangle, and then we're going to do 2 on this top rectangle. So we're going to do 2 right here to finish off our F. That's looking great. Once you have your line work done, we just need to add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.